Okay.
Okay.
So let's come here. So we have half an hour time. So I don't want to be explained much to you. You have it. There is a big bandwidth for you. So you want to be, tell all these definitions with the properly. You have to be read, and you have to be come back. Okay. So then one more I have to be explained here. There is, very well, just now we explained here. There is a fact table joined with the dimension tables is called as a star schema. There is a fact table is joined with multiple dimension tables is called as a snowflake schema. Okay, Ramesh.
Okay.
So let's come here. So there is an option we have to be discussed here. First, this is a called for the data source connections. I think you are aware of last time we connected in VC. So whatever the source connection, if you want to connect the database, you can connect here. Okay. Sample also explained you. So I want the answer. So otherwise it's not good.
Oh,
Yeah. That is the one thing. The second thing, right? So we have to be. This is the data modeling here. There we have an options called like in Tableau. First we'll go for here. See, if you want to open any new Tableau, right? Just you can click the new, and you have to be connected with this. That is the option we have the new. So there is a new Tableau version was opened here. So if you want to open here, there is a one new Tableau option. So if you want to, if you want to, one second. This is I think new one was open. So this is the new one. Where is our one? I think this is ours. No, this is our. See, if you want to open any existing TWBX files, do you know the what is the meaning of TW and TWBX files, Ramesh?
no idea like that.
Yeah, idea. So, yeah, that's good. See what happened, right? For example, if you develop any report, see for example, if we develop any sample report, right? See, let me take here the product and take it from here for the profit here, and I've taken here for the sales. Just take here. See, this is the concept of the dual access here. So I click here and I'll go for the dual access concept. There we have to be seen here. Okay, one second. There we have to be line graph. Uh, there also we have to be there is a line graph. Okay, this is a sample dual access report. So if you want to this report, right, you have to be saved. Do you follow me?
Um,
Yeah, tell me what I've done here. Hello.
no.
Tell me.
Profits
Yeah.
sales
Mm.
category wise.
Yeah. See, category wise, profit and sales we are taking. Okay. So just I have developed one sample report. Okay. So if you want to save this report, right? So go here and click save. Then you will get a save option. Okay.
Okay.
So in the save file, you will get this file types. See, save as a type, the file type. There is a TWB and TWBX. TWBX, if you can save the TWB, right? So what you will get it, right? You will get it you will not get all the features. Okay, which means features means what happened, right? It's not a feature actually. What happened in this workbook? Actually, this workbook containing the table information and template information, logics, everything, right? TWB file you won't give all these options. Okay, which options will give all those things, right? You will get the TWBX file. Okay, so while sharing to the clients, right, so we can give the TWBX file. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the reason we always saved into TW file. We have a different types of files actually. So I'll explain later for those files. Okay, today I'm gonna explain you for only for specific things. We have a number of file. See, there is a file types we have. See, if you can observe here, there is a Tableau file extensions. If you can see here. Okay, so we have the Tableau file extensions here. Okay, if you can observe here, so the see there is one kind of a TWB file extension. Okay, there is one more. Okay, there is one more, we have TWBX. If you can observe, right, these both are the Tableau file extensions. Okay, we have a different file extensions we have in Tableau. Do you follow me, Ramesh? Any questions?
No.
Mm, you can follow
So
me
it,
very clearly. See, this Tableau tool is very simple tool, and if I am explaining one by one step very clearly, and I'm repeating as well, so that you don't be any confused. Actually, there is no confusion here, because if I'm going fast, right, that is a confusion. I'm going very slow, and I'm explaining very normal language. Okay, so there you have to develop the TWBX file. So the ones that develop, right? So there is a called option we have for open. If we click that, if we have to be taken, right, any kind of a files. See the file types where they, how they can given. See, I'll give one example for you here. I'll show it for this. I'll take this look. I'll take this one here. Let me see. Yeah, you're going to observe, right?
yes.
See, if you can observe, right? See, what is the file type here? You can take all the files, right? Those all files can saved under the TWBX file. The workbook can file type, file size, file type. Okay, all the file types actually. So there we have an option. Control. Actually, if you can observe, right? So there you will get it the file type TW packed workbooks. Okay, packed workbooks is nothing but, so there is a type of files here, TWBX files. Okay, mostly they can be taken all for only TWBX files. Okay, so you got it right. What is the file type? Saving type. See, for example, if you want to develop any report, right, there you will get the CSV Excel report, right? Hello.
Yes, we accept the report.
Yeah, so those kind of reports we called as Excel CSV reports. But here we can represent it, those kind of things we in Tableau, what we call TWBX
TWBX file.
and TWB. Okay, Ramesh. Okay, Suresh.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
you can follow me. See, if you want to be speak to me, then only you will get it. So this is a one kind of a option we have. See, there we have to be, see, we have an option called here, actually file extension. See, one of the topic was completed. What is the Tableau file extension? So you can save your work using the several different type of specific file types. Those one of the file type is Tableau workbook. Tableau workbook files have the TWC file extension workbook to hold one or more worksheets. You got it? I told you, right? To hold one or more worksheet plus zero or more dashboard stories. Zero or plus more dashboard package. But when compared to TWFX, right? Tableau packaged workbooks have the so the packaged workbook is the single zip file that contains the workbook along with any supporting a local file, the data and background images. That is a format is the best way the package of your work to share with others, and we don't have any access to the original data. You got it right? See, what happened? What is the meaning of this, right? For example, if you want to share this report, right? If you want to share, sorry, where is that? If you want, what happened? So if, what happened?
Open already saved files. TWBX.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. Maybe something happened. Yeah. See, for example, if you want to share this report to the client, right, you can directly, you can save as the TWBX, see, is a TWBX file. But you will see enter the data, whatever the data is coming with database, right? All the data is captured here. You got it right. All the data captured here. When you share it also, this data can be displayed as looks as what you are done with to connect it to the database. Okay, see this entire view, this entire view kind of what kind of a view it is like. This is a TWBX file type view. Okay, see this view have to be shared to the user. So that is a called as we have file extensions types. We have a bookmarks. Bookmarks also the one kind of a similar. The bookmark can be single worksheet or single worksheet, which means if you can see here, there is a single worksheet, right? So if you can talk about this, the sheet as in a single worksheet. Okay, this forecast as in a single worksheet. Okay, this totally we have called as a workbook. Ramesh, you're following me or not?
No, follow.
Hmm. This sheet, see, if you have any small doubt, just ask me here itself. I will explain double. Okay. The after you leaving, right? That's won't good much. Okay. See, the sheet we have, the sheet we have, right? The sheet is called as one kind of a single sheet. So same thing. See here, a single worksheet and RL, there is easy way to quickly share to your work. See, for example, if you want to share any single worksheet, see if you can save this only single worksheet book and type it as in file type here and save as here and then come here. We have only but if you want to write also, you can write it for the name of with the extension. See, for example, I'm gonna write this as a sample. So I says what is this? TBM.
T-
TBM, but we have to be write the TBM. But so those cases mostly we won't use it. Okay,
Okay.
only less cases. Actually, you will get it all kind of a file types actually here. So mostly we'll go for TWBX type file type only. Even in entire my career, I used to only TWB and TWBX only. Okay.
Okay.
See, there is one more, just for intro purpose, you can say this, but most of the things we won't use. Tableau extracts, depending on the Tableau extract files. These things are not that much of data source. I'll explain later for this all, but not that much of importance. Those only for you can TWB, TWBX. And one more options we have called here for say these export versions. If you want the version, right, we can export the version. You will see it, and I'll see this is the version. And I told you last time also they can go for a help, and there you can see the about the Tableau. This is the latest version of the Tableau. This is the Tableau key version. Also, you will get it here. Okay, go for help. And about see one more thing I want to tell you. See, if you want to read this article very well, right, go for open help. I think you know this, right? You know, right?
Okay.
Not okay. You know or not? And my question is that
No, no. I know.
no. So yeah, go for a Tableau. There you can see the help and help. There is a open help and get support. Okay. So go here and you will get it all the Tableau related. This is the Tableau documentation, which means whatever the topics I'm explaining, there you will get all the full content. Okay. See, full content is there. If you can search anything here, see data source is nothing but you can see here is the data source. Each and everything you will get it here. See data source methods and Tableau server data source and refresh data source. You will get it many data sources, how it is related to Tableau. Okay. Example I'm explaining you. Okay. So that is one kind of an option we have called as the export version, the export packaged workbook. Exposed package workbook is nothing but exporting. So we are exporting. మనం తీసుకుంటున్నాం అన్నమాట. Which version we are TWBX. See here clearly he mentioned. See export packaged workbook. That is the one. That is one more concept we come here for the forecasting. One more here we have to be. So see here the export as a PowerPoint. What happened, right? This view or this specifically for this view we have, for example, exporting is nothing but expose is nothing but so I want to be export this report as by PowerPoint, as by CSV, as by PDF. So if you want to export these things and you have to be sent to the any users and any customers and any stakeholders, right? So those they if you want, there is an option, you will go there for a file, there you will get to see the export as in a PowerPoint. Okay, export option. Then you will see here. Ramesh, tell me where is our file? Hello.
Sorry, Superstore.
Yeah, Superstore we exported. See, Superstore we exported. The file created date will get it. See, then this is the whatever there we want to export, right? We exported this. You got it
It's
right?
not showed in Excel sheet. Huh?
Yeah. This is the PowerPoint. This is the PowerPoint, not the Excel sheet. This is the PowerPoint. See these things. See, once we publish this report into server, there we have an option called Excel, CSV, PDF, PowerPoint. So there now we have a option called as a PowerPoint. Okay.
Oh,
You got it, Ramesh?
Okay.
Ramesh, no, you have to be speak. I am telling again and again. You have to be speak very loudly. I want to be నేను నీకు ఎలా చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నా అంటే ప్రతిదీ చెప్తాను నేను నువ్వు స్లోగా ఉంటే నాకు అర్థం కాలేదని ఫీలింగ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది నాకు మేబీ నువ్వు సైలెంట్ గా ఉండొచ్చు నాకు అట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది అనమాట ఓకేనా యా see there is this is a show short button which means we'll go for the starting page so that's no need to okay that is no need to to discuss much about no need to discuss much about this actually so there we have share option. If we can see the share via Tableau server, I told you right Tableau there is we have a link actually, so I'll tell you later for this. Okay, this is a Tableau server options. Okay, I'm explaining what happened once you have developed this workbook, right? So once this report you have developed, right, you have to be published to the Tableau server. If you want to publish the Tableau server, there you have a need a credential for the Tableau dev. There we have to be in one more option called what is there in the share option. You will get share option here, right? There is one more option also we have. What is that? Publish workbook. See, we
both
have
are
it.
same, right?
Yeah, both are same. There is a ways.
Okay.
Ramesh, are you following me?
No, follow that.
Yeah, yes. So you see here for this, see Tableau server, there we have to be in a publish workbook. Okay, there we have publishing data source. Tell me what is the data source?
డేటా సోర్స్ అంటే మొత్తం అంతా ఉంటుంది
Tell me.
డేటా
తెలుగులో చెప్పు డేటా సోర్స్ అంటే ఏంది?
ఒక డేటా అంతా కలెక్ట్ చేసి దాన్ని స్టోర్ చేసి
తమ్ముడు ఇందాకే చెప్పాను కదా డేటా సోర్స్ అంటే ఏం చెప్పాను ట్యాబ్ లీవ్ నుంచి డేటాబేస్ ని ట్యాబ్ లీవ్ కనెక్ట్ అవడానికి మనం డేటా సోర్స్ కనెక్షన్స్ ద్వారా వీటిని కనెక్ట్ అవుతాం క్లియర్ కదా ఇప్పుడు నీకు చాలా సార్లు చెప్పున్నా ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక కూడా చెప్పా డేటా సోర్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ టు బి కనెక్టెడ్ టు ఫ్రమ్ సోర్స్ సిస్టమ్ టు ది ట్యాబ్లెట్ సిస్టమ్ ఓకే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఓకే యూ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ దిస్ ఓకే so there we have a called option okay that is a data source okay share data source so why I'm explaining right see sometimes you have to be publish the data source in the server why I'm telling I'll explain later but you should know it first okay what is the data source okay there are how many options you will learn okay for there we have paste import workbook tell me what is import file opening and import both are the same okay if you want Superstore, right? Just import Superstore. Click on that. It got imported. See, you will get it double, and those all duplicated. Which means why all the names duplicated? If already is there, if you duplicate it, you get the duplicate names. There is an importing. The page setup. See, the page setup means what kind of a page you want it. Okay, the legend layout or these things. Okay, horizontal, vertical. If you want to increase any left side, right side. Say if you want to increase anything, okay. Print scaling, how much these things are done. You can work it and don't save it, okay. Please work on this, okay. Work it. Page, what is that? Page setup, okay. We have a page setup also. You can do it for everything, okay. Do it and let me know for this all those things tomorrow, okay. And what options we have? Page. That is the
Send.
print option we have. See, this report also we have to be printable. But as we didn't do this kind of a print things and all. Okay, we don't, as of now we can leave it this option. Okay, and there's print PDF. So if you want to print PDF this report, you have to be what I can say, the PDF. Okay. You will see here. See, this is the PDF, the report. These are pretty easy things. So we are not writing any calculations. We are doing all the simple things. So you have to be come up with all these options to me. Okay. Okay. And their print PDF and work location. See, this is the one. And repository location. Repository location fine. This is our local. What is this? Okay. You can check it. This what inside we have. And one more, this is the comments, whatever the files we are opening. So if you want to exit, then you can exit it. Okay, so you can enough for today. I can give some work because of you are not pulling all this information actually. So there is, this is the second week, right, for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I think second week. They
Okay.
already called. Okay. So నువ్వు ఏం చేయాలంటే, I will stop with this recording.